The Asian green bee-eater, also known as little green bee-eater, and green bee-eater in Sri Lanka, is a near-passerine bird in the bee-eater family. It is resident but prone to seasonal movements and is found widely distributed across Asia from coastal southern Iran east through the Indian subcontinent to Vietnam. Populations in Africa and the Arabian Peninsula that were formerly assigned to this species, under the name green bee-eater, are now considered distinct species. They are mainly insect eaters and they are found in grassland, thin scrub and forest, often quite far from water. Several regional plumage variations are known and several subspecies have been named. Like other bee-eaters, this species is a richly colored, slender bird. It is about 9 inches, 16 to 18 cm, long with about 2 inches made up by the elongated central tail feathers. The sexes are not visually distinguishable. The entire plumage is bright green and tinged with blue, especially on the chin and throat. The crown and upper back are tinged with golden rufous. The flight feathers are rufous washed with green and tipped with blackish. A fine black line runs in front of and behind the eye. The iris is crimson and the bill is black while the legs are dark gray. The feet are weak with the 3 toes joined at the base. Southeast Asian birds have rufous crown and face, and green underparts, whereas Arabian Beludicus has a green crown, blue face and bluish underparts. The wings are green and the beak is black. The elongated tail feathers are absent in juveniles. Sexes are alike. The calls is a nasal trill tree 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 tree, usually given in flight. Like other species in the genus, bee-eaters predominantly eat insects, especially bees, wasps and ants, which are caught in the air by sorties from an open perch. Before swallowing prey, a bee-eater removes stings and breaks the exoskeleton of the prey by repeatedly thrashing it on the perch. Migration is not known, but they make seasonal movements in response to rainfall. These birds are somewhat sluggish in the mornings and may be found huddled next to each other on wires, sometimes with their bills tucked in their backs well after sunrise. They sandbathe more frequently than other bee-eater species and will sometimes bathe in water by dipping into water in flight.